I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make tuna salad macaroni, updated. Start by boiling elbow macaroni until al dente, drain and rinse under cold water to stop cooking, then set aside. Flake canned tuna and add chopped celery, red onion, and pickles. Mix in mayonnaise, Dijon mustard, salt, pepper, and a squeeze of lemon. Fold the dressing into pasta, chill for at least 30 minutes, and garnish with parsley before serving. Gather these ingredients before you start. Elbow macaroni, canned tuna, mayonnaise, Dijon mustard, celery, red onion, pickles, lemon, salt, and pepper. Measure about 3 cups cooked pasta and 2 5-ounce cans of tuna. Chop vegetables finely, zest and juice the lemon, and have cold mayonnaise ready. Use light mayo for fewer calories or full fat for creamier texture. This makes about 6 servings. Serve with crackers or greens. If you're enjoying this guide, please subscribe and like so I can make more recipes you actually use. Quick recommendation: life's too short for cheap socks. Go darn tough for a lifetime warranty and lasting comfort. I wear them while cooking for long prep days and they stay comfy. Check the description for the product link and other deals. Thanks for supporting the channel. Now let's get back to the video. Toast flavors by briefly sautéing onion and celery to soften and sweeten them before chilling. For lighter salad, substitute Greek yogurt for half the mayonnaise and add a teaspoon of honey for balance. Keep pasta slightly undercooked since it will absorb dressing while chilling, and always taste for salt after refrigerating because flavors concentrate. Garnish with chopped parsley, sliced scallions, or paprika for color and brightness, and serve within 3 days for best quality.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.